What we are doing to the forests of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another, says Mahatma Gandhi. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellow friends, a warm good morning to all. International Day of Forest is celebrated on 21st March every year. The day is also known as the World Forestry Day. It is celebrated to raise public awareness about the importance of the forest to balance the life cycle on the earth. World Forestry Day was established at the 23rd General Assembly of the European Confederation of Agriculture in 1971. The UN passes a resolution to observe March 21st as the International Day of Forests in 2012. The first International Day of Forests was celebrated in 2013. The theme of International Day of Forests 2022 is Forest and Sustainable Protection and Consumption. The world is losing 10 million hectares of forest each year. For millions of people, forests provide safe drinking water, food, and shelter. Therefore, forest and forest resources need to be managed sustainably. This is the right time to discuss about the importance of forest. First of all, forests are the lungs of the earth. Trees help the planet breathe by turning carbon dioxide into clean air. Secondly, the world needs wood. We badly need the wood and other raw materials provided by the forest. In our daily life, forest is helpful in more ways than we can relate. It is closely related to construction, paper, furniture, medicines, herbs, and bioenergy. More than 300 million people all over the world live in forests. Thus, it is a habitat as well as livelihood for humans. Another importance of the forest is that it is a natural habitat of various types of animals. Above all, healthy forest means a healthy environment. Forests help in preventing global warming. They stabilize the climate, control atmospheric temperature, regulate the water cycle, prevent soil erosion, and enrich the soil. Saving forest means saving our earth. On this International Day of Forests, let us plant a tree and thereby be a part of saving forest. Thank you. Have a nice day.